Jill, you are gonna die. I have to open the window. I am literally stuck out of the shower. Jill called and was like, there's wild turkeys on our street. And I was like, oh, cool. They're all in our backyard. I wish so bad you guys could see them more clear. Oh my. Hey, turkeys. I'm not sure how these fellas plan to get out of here. Hey, don't eat our grapes. Naughty. Every day after school, each kid practices the piano. Typically, the kids can practice by themselves, but where we've been gone on the cruise, they've been lacking in the piano area. So I have been practicing every day with the kids after school. Where Lincoln just started playing the piano, I do help him every time he practices, not just sometimes. Thank you, Boston. Will you tell Cody to come here, please?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cody, Mom wants you.
Since we've been home from the cruise, we have been playing catch up, and I have not been filming every day just so I can feel mentally that I'm getting caught up, you know? So that's kind of been the routine, huh, Cody?
Yeah.
Okay, so I would go over that song again. Just going on right there where you had to like double check it, go a measure before and try that again. Good, that sounds really good. Sunblock today, did you? Joel, your face is so red. Honey, I am so
well, I was in
sad.
The tractor, and then the last like 30 minutes I was like straight facing the sun, so I think it just kind of got me. Sorry.
Let me tell you why it is so important to me. Do you see this spot right here? I know it's pre-cancer or skin cancer. I get my skin checked. We get our skin checked once a year, and I've had pre-cancer removed twice from the bridge of my nose. My dad has had skin cancer. Ellie had skin cancer. It's working on me, okay? And this spot is really, really worrying me because it won't go away. Anyhow, welcome home. I'm making dinner. The kids have all practiced the piano. I'm actually gonna have the kids work on their homework right now. Actually, you know what? I'm not. Do you know when they like to do their homework? Is they like to, at the very end of the night when I say, okay, it's bedtime, they get on their beds and
Quietly do it.
They quietly do their homework right before they go to bed. Hey, what's the matter?
I'll talk to you in a second.
Okay. All right, Joel's going to hop in the shower. I'm going to finish doing my veggies. So I cut up my Brussels sprouts, and on my Instagram stories, I showed you guys how I make garlic confit. I took the garlic out, and I'm actually going to use this in my mashed potatoes, which I'm making mashed potatoes specifically for Olivia, because her poor mouth is so sore. So that's what I'm using the garlic for. And then I'm using the oil that I strained and put back in here. This is now garlic infused olive oil. It is divine. It is divine. So I'm using that to pour over the Brussels sprouts. I'm also going to pour balsamic vinegar on top of these and then bake them. Delish. You cannot forget the salt and pepper. I have the recipe for my Brussels sprouts on my Instagram highlight called Food. I'll put that in the description for you guys because I have so many yummy recipes there. So if you want to check those out, you can. And that's where I have my garlic confit recipe. I hope I'm saying that right. It's gonna be embarrassing if I'm not. Okay. Tell me these are not the cutest salt and pepper grinders. Ugh. Where?
I heard it.
Please say we get to see it.
Oh my gosh, I really hope we do. It was like a bluish grayish rabbit.
Would it go? Are you sure?
Here, bunny, bunny, bunny. I'm positive. Here, bunny, bunny, bunny.
Where would a bunny have come from?
I don't know. It was running along the side right there. I heard it jiggle the fence.
Really?
Yeah. I was running.
Well,
you guys saw a deer?
a bunny rabbit, but I missed it.
It was like a bluish grayish rabbit.
Okay, hold on. I was on the phone with Aunt Linda. I want to see if she's still here. Aunt Linda, are you still there? Aunt Linda, I'm right here. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Guess what? We saw a bunny rabbit in the yard.
Oh my God.
So I had to put the phone down and run out and see if I could see it, but it jumped away way too fast.
Oh, geez.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
I know, and guess what we saw earlier? A whole bunch of wild turkeys.
Oh my God.
Isn't that just crazy?
Huh?
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Exciting things.
You got some turkey at your house.
We got some turkeys at our house, that's right. And we're gonna have turkey on Thanksgiving, aren't we? Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Okay, goodbye. Go play with your brothers.
Okay.
All right. Oh my gosh, are you okay? Okay. Well, tonight has really turned a little bit different than I ever would have imagined what the night would have taken us to. You guys know that Joel's mom had her knee replaced and she was recovering well, slowly but well. Joel's mom is in the hospital with some other complications, and so Joel has gone with his brothers down to the hospital to see her and to pray with her, and we are just hoping for the best. We don't really know a whole lot right now, and I want to maintain, you know, some privacy there. So anyway, that's how our night is ending. I feel horrible. The kids feel horrible. I think we're gonna try to FaceTime Grandma just to let her see our faces and maybe bring some comfort there. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And I mean, that even just feels so like crappy to say. It feels so weird. It feels weird when things go on and then you just have to kind of document it. I like to document things. I like saying what's going on, but sometimes I feel like my feelings don't get conveyed very well. Or my thoughts, and I don't like feeling misunderstood. Anyway, our hearts are just a little heavy tonight. Well, they are. They're not even a little. Our hearts are heavy tonight, and we really hope the very best for Grandma Hoellein, and we'll keep you guys updated. Bye, guys.